If you feel tingling, burning, stabbing, or shooting pains in your feet or hands, then you may be suffering from nerve damage. The nerves in your body carry electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord through your nervous system. Sometimes the very ends of these nerves become damaged, which often causes a sharp shooting pain, especially in the toes or fingertips. In more severe cases, you may notice numbness, a loss of balance, or muscle weakness. This type of nerve damage is called peripheral neuropathy and can be caused by high blood sugars, alcohol, poor circulation, and nutritional deficiencies. Fortunately, there are certain vitamins that you can consume to heal the nerves quickly and naturally, to restore normal feeling and sensation in your hands and feet, and get rid of nerve pain permanently. And that's exactly what we will be talking about in today's video. I use the word vitamins broadly to include antioxidants, minerals, and phytonutrients that you can use to heal nerve damage naturally. Just a reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Alpha-lipoic acid. The first item on my list is alpha-lipoic acid. You can take a supplement of 600 mg alpha-lipoic acid 3x per day to heal and repair your nerves. It's a natural antioxidant that is prescribed in Germany to reduce symptoms like pain, tingling, and prickling sensations in the feet, legs, and hands. Alpha-lipoic acid improves blood flow to your nerves, helping to nourish them and heal them from oxidative damage. It also helps the electrical signals travel through your nerves to your brain, as they naturally should. You can also get this by eating high-quality organ meats and red meat, such as beef liver, cod liver, and pasture-raised beef. Benfotiamine, vitamin B1. The most important vitamin for healing the nerves is vitamin B1 in a form called benfotiamine. Nerve problems are often caused by consuming too many junk foods and having too much sugar in the blood. High blood sugars cause inflammation and oxidative damage to the blood vessels connected to your nerves. This causes them to short-circuit, sending the wrong signals back to the brain, triggering pain, numbness, tingling, etc. You can take 300 milliliters of benfotiamine 2x per day to heal the nerves naturally. Being fat-soluble, benfotiamine penetrates through the fatty outer layer of your nerves, myelin, to heal them from within. It's also an effective remedy for anxiety, as it calms the nervous system, helping you to feel steady, focused, and relaxed. You can also get regular B1, thiamine, by eating sunflower seeds, beef liver, pastured eggs, and asparagus. Cod liver oil, omega-3s. Next is extra virgin cod liver oil. When it comes to healing your nerves and your brain, it's essential to load up on foods rich in DHA, omega-3, which is a type of omega-3 fatty acid. DHA is used as raw material by your body to build new healthy neurons and nerve cells, and is the most abundant fatty acid in the brain. You can get this by eating fatty fish like wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel. However, by far the richest natural source is Icelandic virgin cod liver oil, 1 TSP per day. Omega-3 fats are anti-inflammatory and will help to heal any pockets of inflammation and swelling in your body that may be affecting your nerves. Nutritional yeast, B-complex. Next up is one of my favorite health-boosting foods, nutritional yeast. You can eat 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes every day if you want to heal nerve damage and prevent further problems in the future. Nutritional yeast flakes are packed full of B vitamins, B1, B3, B5, and B6, etc., which are all essential for a healthy nervous system. Eating this often helps to control your blood sugars, reverse neuropathy, and gives you more energy by improving glucose metabolism. Other foods rich in the B complex include shellfish, seafood, eggs, and dairy products. Turmeric, curcumin. The next important nutrient is an active ingredient called curcumin, which is found in turmeric. Turmeric is a spice in the ginger family and has been used for over 4,000 years to reduce pain and inflammation in the body. And it's used for a wide range of different health problems. You can add a teaspoon of this to your stir-fries, curries, or drink it in a glass of milk to help restore your nerves and reduce all types of nerve pain. I highly recommend also adding a small pinch of black pepper, as this helps your body absorb curcumin up to 2,000% better. Turmeric helps your liver to produce glutathione, the master antioxidant that heals and nourishes your nervous system. I understand that there is a lot of information in this video to take in, so feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes if you need to. Zinc is a vital mineral needed to build neurons, hormones, and neurotransmitters that all play a role in your nervous system. It's particularly good at healing and protecting the nerves in your eyes, especially for those with diabetes. You can get more zinc into your diet by eating oysters, seaweed, crab meat, liver, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Alternatively, take a daily supplement of 30 ml zinc chelate. Zinc helps to keep your blood sugars stable and prevent further damage to your nerves. Vitamin B12, methylcobalamin. Next on my list for treating nerve damage is the all-important vitamin B12. Many people suffer from a deficiency in vitamin B12, especially the elderly or those on a plant-based diet, like vegans or vegetarians. However, B12 is absolutely essential for your nerves because it helps to build their protective outer coating, myelin sheath. You can get this by eating shellfish, seafood, red meats, eggs, and algae. Getting more of this into your diet helps to build red blood cells that nourish and feed your nerves to repair them. You may take up to 1,800 milliliters of B12, methylcobalamin, daily to stimulate fast nerve regeneration. Make sure that you choose methylcobalamin and not cyanocobalamin, which can have toxic side effects. As you can see, there is a range of powerful nutrients and vitamins that you can use to heal and repair your nerves. Restore the normal sensation in your toes, fingers, hands, feet, and other damaged nerves in your body. Many of these nutrients are already in foods that you regularly consume, so you can start by eating more of these that we have shared in today's video. Causes of nerve damage. Preventing further damage. How to prevent further damage to your nerves. Although you may start taking supplements and loading up on nutrients in your diet, it's important to know what caused the nerve problems in the first place, so that you stop this from happening again in the future. One of the most common causes of nerve pain and nerve damage is consuming too many AGEs in your diet. These are sticky proteins that build up on your nerves and block the normal signals from flowing through them. These come from eating proteins, fats mixed with sugar in foods like BBQ-coated meats, ice cream, pizza, donuts, flavored yogurt, and fast foods. The second most common cause of nerve damage is high blood sugars from diabetes or prediabetes. Having too much sugar in the blood causes damage to the blood vessels that feed your nerves. This causes the coating of the nerves to break up, and they begin short-circuiting, causing numbness, tingling, burning, etc. Lifestyle tips to repair nerves: correcting your diet. Now that you're aware of the main causes of neuropathy and the nutrients you need to heal the nerves, let's explore some simple lifestyle changes you can make to keep your nerves healthy from here on out. Stop consuming inflammatory vegetable oils like margarine, soy, corn, canola, safflower, and processed olive oil. These cause inflammation and damage to your nerves and blood vessels. Start eating mixed seafood at least twice per week, including oily fish, sea vegetables like nori and kelp, and shellfish like mussels and clams. These are packed full of omega-3s, which stimulate healing of nerve and brain tissue.